Welcome to the headset adjustment video for the Buzzraw X. Should you notice any play coming from your headset assembly, it is important that this movement within the assembly is taken care of, as riding the bicycle in this state can cause accelerated wear and tear of the bearings and the head tube. In this video, we will be covering the appropriate steps for proper headset adjustment. This is a list of tools required for this adjustment. Loosen the stem clamping bolts with a 6mm hex wrench. Loosen the 13mm nut on the non-drive side of the top steerer clamp by several turns. You need not remove the nut completely. Using a 6mm hex wrench, loosen the M8 bolt from the drive side of the same steerer clamp by a few turns. Using the 36mm cone wrench or adjustable spanner, tighten the lock nut on the top of the stem. As there is no torque specification for this adjustment, a general rule of thumb is as loose as possible with no play in the headset. Once the preload adjustment has been made, use a 6mm hex wrench and tighten the top steerer clamp to 8 Nm. Prevent the M8 bolt from turning by using a 6mm hex wrench for support. Tighten the nut to 8 Nm with a 13mm socket. Using a 6mm hex wrench, align and tighten the stem to 9 Nm. Check for play again by squeezing the front brake and rocking the bike. Use your free hand to feel for any movement in the headset. If movement is still present, repeat the process again and increase the headset preload. This concludes the headset adjustment video. Feel free to drop us an email if you require more information.